Hi kids, welcome to BEA Higher Primary School SN Layout Davangere, Class 3rd, Subject English, Second Semester Portion The Girl Who Hated Books, written by Manjusha Pawagi. Now I will narrate this lesson. Once there was a girl named Meena. In ancient Sanskrit, it means fish. But Meena did not know that because she never looked up anything anywhere. She hated to read the books. In her house, books were everywhere, not just on bookshelves and bedside tables. Books were kept in drawers, desks, and in cupboard and chests. Chests means large storage boxes usually made of wood. But all the books are not properly ordered in her house. There were books on a sofa and stairs, books stuffed in the fireplace and stacked on the chairs. Her parents loved to read the books. They kept buying, borrowing, and ordering books from catalogs. Catalogs means books with lists of all the things that you can buy. Her parents used to read at breakfast, lunch, and dinner time, but they asked Meena to read the books. She would stamp her feet and shouted, "I hate books." When her parents tried to read out loud to her, she would put her hands over her ears and shouted louder, like, "I hate books." There was only one person in the world who hated books more than Meena. That was her cat, Max. A long time ago, when that cat was just a kitten, an atlas had fallen on his tail. It had bent the tip, and from then on, he tried to stay on top of the books rather than the below them. One morning, after Meena moved all the books out of the sink to brush her teeth, she went to the kitchen to get breakfast for herself and Max. First, she climbed onto a stack of encyclopedias, which means books which give information on many subjects, so she could reach the cereal. Then she opened the fridge and moved a pile of magazines to get the milk. She poured some for herself and some for Max. "Max," she called, "breakfast is ready." But Max didn't come. She tried again. "Max," she called her cat, "breakfast is ready." But cat still didn't come. Where could this cat? She wondered. She looked in the bathtub and behind the drawers. She looked under the stairs and on top of the clock. She found more books, but she didn't find Max. Suddenly, she heard a loud voice. "Meow!" She ran into the dining room, and there he was, stuck on top of the tallest stack of books in the house. Her parents kept buying books for her, but she kept refusing to read. At the bottom were big, shiny pictures books from when she was a baby. In the middle were alphabet books and nursery rhymes books. All books were covered in dust. she said to the Max that, "Don't worry, Max, I will rescue you. Rescue means I will save you." She started to climb the pile of books. At first, it was easy because the picture books had hard covers and she felt as if she were climbing stairs. But when she reached the paperbacks, her foot slipped on a book of poetry. She lost her balance and started to slide. Crush! The books went flying. They fell everywhere. Books were opened for the very first time and the pages flipping apart. When the books fell, strange things began to happen. People and animals started falling out of the pages and tumbling to the ground. They dropped one after other. Children, here is the first part of this lesson is completed. The girl who hated books. I will come back with second part of this lesson. Now let's watch an animated video. Thank you, children.
Books. Meena hated to read and she hated books. They're always in the way, she would say. This was true because in her house, books were everywhere. From floor to ceiling and all sorts of places where books usually aren't. And her parents were always bringing more books. Her cat, Max, hated books too. One day, Meena called out to Max for breakfast, but he did not come. Where could he be? She wondered and looked everywhere. Suddenly she heard a loud meow. Oh, he was stuck on top of the tallest stack of books in the house. Meena started climbing the pile of books to rescue him and lost her balance. Crash! The books fell and strange things began to happen. Creatures tumbled out of the pages this way and that. There were princes, princesses, frogs, wolves, and what not. "Stop!" cried Meena. "Go back!" But no one listened. She had an idea. Meena picked up a book and began to read aloud. Slowly, the creatures stopped jumping and came closer to hear the story. As she read, the creatures jumped back into the pages where they belonged. Since she was fascinated by them, she started to read. Weren't her parents surprised and happy to see her reading?